Hello friend, welcome back to NH Drawing. So today we will draw a cute ice cream. So let's start the drawing. First of all, draw a ice cream. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for the new video notification. Draw these some hearts. Draw the outline. Red color.